अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों, वेलकम टू अवर चैनल जॉब्स अपडेट हसन रजा व्लॉग. You go to source for career guidance and jobs update in Pakistan. In today's video, we are diving deep into the Motorway Police of Pakistan, their jobs, roles, salary requirement, process, physical and educational requirements, and how can become part of this prestigious forces. So, if you dream for serving your country while ensuring road safety on Pakistan highways, make sure to watch till end. Let's begin. The National Highway Motorway Police (NHMP) is a highly respected force responsible for enforcing traffic rules, maintaining discipline, and ensuring safety on national highway and motorways. It was established in 1997 and quickly earned a reputation for professionalism, transparency, and efficiency. Unlike regular police departments, motorway police officers are known for their integrity and polite behavior toward commuters. They use modern equipment, surveillance systems, and patrol vehicles to ensure law and order. The force operates across motorways like M1, M2, M3, M4, and M5, and more. The motorway police officer different jobs position based on education and experience. Position available: Junior Patrol Officer JPO, Constable, Head Constable, Assistant Sub Inspector SI, Sub Inspector SI, and Inspector. Clerical Admin Staff UDC, LDC, Dispatch Riders, Mechanics, etc. Handsome salary package starting from 30,000 to 100,000 plus. Official residence or house rent. Medical facilities, pension gratuity, annual increment, promotions, training, and career growth opportunities. To apply for motorway police jobs, candidate must meet the following basic eligibility criteria. Number 1, nationality Pakistani. Number 2, age limit 18 to 25 years, elections available in some cases. Number 3, education Constable, JPO, metric or intermediate. ASI, bachelor's or degree. ASI Inspector, bachelor's or master degree. Now we will discuss physical standards. Height for male 5 to 8 and height female 5 to 4. Chest male only 33 to 35. Weight according to BMI. Vision 6x6 with or without glasses. Running test 1.6 km in 7 minutes for males and 10 minutes for females. Other requirements: good moral character, no criminal record, must pass written test, physical test and interview. Stay updates with official advertisements published by FPSC or NHMP official website. Motorway police officers play a vital role in ensuring road safety. Number 1, duties including patrolling the motorway and highway, checking for traffic violations, helping drivers in distress, controlling traffic and emergencies and accidents, conducting awareness campaigns, using speed guns, e-challan systems and surveillance drones, coordinating with rescue 1122 and other emergency services. The job is both challenging and rewarding. Officers often work in shifts and they are training in first aid, investigation techniques and modern communication tools. To sum it all up, the Motorway Police Pakistan is one of the most professional and respected law enforcement agencies in the country. If you are passionate about disciplines, public service and road safety, this is your chance to make a meaningful career. Stay physical fit, focus on education and keep checking official job portals like FPSC and nhmp.government.pk. This career not only brings respect and honor but also offers financial stability and growth opportunities. That's all for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please give it the thumb up and share with your friends, and don't forget subscribe to our channel Jobs Update Hassan Raza Vlog for more career related updates and jobs preparation videos. Go any questions, drop them in the comments. I reply to every one of you. Also hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.